my name is Mariyam Abdul Salam. I'm born and raised in Oman. I did my schooling over there in Al Kabir. I've come over here to study BCom in Jain University. I chose to study in India because of its vast and mixed cultures. I knew there'd be a lot of opportunities and experiences over here which I won't be able to get in Oman. So that's the reason I came over here, to grow and seek better opportunities by studying over here. I chose Jain deemed to be university because it's one of the best universities in India. I knew it will help me to excel not just in overall development but academically. I knew about its hostel facilities, sports facilities which will help me improve my exposure as well as my experience. Study environment is really nice in Jain University. If you need anything, the faculty will be there to help you out with any sort of need. NRI department as well as the hostel as well as the sports facilities, sports forum, samashti, all this is really, these are the extra facilities which college provides you while you're studying. So the environment is really peaceful and it helps you to adapt as well. So that's really nice. So I find that really good. It welcomes international students really nicely. The batchmates, the students are really nice. They help support us and help us in every field we want to, and they help us to adapt to the environment. Even if we are outside the university, we can handle the situations on our own. So it helps us become independent in a way and proactive. The faculties are very supportive. If I don't understand anything, they'll help me and teach me again and again. They'll try to take out time from their busy schedule and they sit me down in library or somewhere and they help me out in the specific field which I want help in. It's a very comfortable and peaceful environment where I can focus and study really well, and very welcoming and festing as well, where I get to go to other colleges and experience their culture through Jain. So that's one of the really good things over here. I would like them to take these opportunities because it will help them grow and excel as well as step out of the comfort zone, which will make them proactive and independent, and it will also help them to face challenges in the future. So by joining Jain University, they'll adapt to the environment as well as they'll be comfortable over here and they'll get to learn a lot of things.